In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quizzes in Go High Level. We'll walk through the full process together so that, by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a quiz that looks professional and works smoothly inside your account. First, log into your Go High Level account and head to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the menu on the left-hand side. From that menu, click on the section labeled Sites. This is where you manage things like funnels, forms, and of course, quizzes. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. Inside the Sites area, you'll see several tabs or options across the top. Find and click on Quizzes. This takes you to the Quiz Management section, where you can view any existing quizzes and create new ones. If this is your first time here, the page may be empty, and that's completely fine. Next, look for the button that says Add Quiz or plus Add Quiz, usually located near the top right of the page. Click that button to start creating a new quiz. This opens up the quiz setup screen, where you'll enter all the basic information. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start by giving your quiz a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to create multiple quizzes. Add a short description or internal notes if the platform allows it. This can help you remember the quiz's purpose, such as lead generation, onboarding, or learning assessment. You may also have options to select a category, set a language, or adjust basic settings, like whether the quiz is active or in draft mode. Take a moment to choose options that match how and where you plan to use this quiz. After you've entered the main details, simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by Go High Level. The platform will guide you step by step through adding questions, setting answer choices, defining correct answers, or scoring logic, and customizing things like the confirmation message or redirect URL. Move through each screen carefully, saving your work as you go. If there are style or branding options such as colors and fonts, adjust them to match your existing funnels or website for a cohesive look. Once you've followed all the prompts and reviewed your settings, save and preview the quiz. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions, you're ready to embed it in your pages or share it with your audience.